If you've ever wanted to start fresh with your WordPress site, to completely wipe your theme customizations, content, and even plugins, without the headache of reinstalling everything manually, this tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reset your entire WordPress site back to its original clean slate using a trusted plugin, so you can rebuild with confidence or troubleshoot stubborn issues. Let's dive right in. We'll be using a powerful tool, specifically the WP Reset plugin, to do the heavy lifting for us. This is really the most straightforward and reliable way to reset WordPress themes because it actually resets your whole WordPress database, which means all content, all customizations, and even plugin settings are wiped out. Think of it like hitting the factory reset button on your phone. Everything goes back to how it was when you first set it up. First up, we need to install the plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and find Plugins. Hover over it, then click Add New. You'll see a search box at the top right. Type in WP Reset. It should pop up as one of the top results. WP Reset is trusted by tons of site owners, but if you see Advanced WordPress Reset, that's a good alternative too. Just keep in mind some features are only available in the Pro version, but what we need for a basic reset is free. Once you found WP Reset, click the blue Install Now button, and after it's installed, that'll change to Activate. Go ahead and click that too. You'll now see a confirmation that the plugin is active and you're ready to move on. Now let's actually do the reset. This is where you'll want to be a bit careful. On the left panel, you'll find a new option. Go to Tools, then click on WP Reset. Give the page a moment to load and you'll see several different sections with options, but the one we want is called Site Reset. Scroll down until you see it. This is the big one. It's going to reset your entire site, so double check that you've backed up anything important and that you really want to do this. To make sure you don't accidentally wipe your site, WP Reset asks you to type the word reset into a confirmation field. Type it in carefully. It's an extra safety feature, kind of like double locking the door before you leave. Once you've typed reset, click the Reset Site button. A confirmation box will pop up, giving you one last chance to reconsider. If you're sure, click to confirm. The reset process only takes a few moments, sometimes less than a minute, and when it completes, your WordPress site will be as clean as a brand new install. All your theme settings, posts, pages, and plugin configurations will be erased. This is perfect if you want a fresh start, or if you've been experimenting with a lot of changes and just want to go back to square one. And that's it. With just a few careful steps, you've completely reset your WordPress site using a plugin. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Got any questions or need help with a specific issue? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, beginner-friendly WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your fresh start.